Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload or change your LinkedIn cover photo, also known as the banner image. Let's get started. Step 1. First, head over to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Step 2. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture or me icon at the top, then choose View Profile. Step 3. On your profile page, hover over the cover photo area at the top. You'll see a camera icon in the corner. Click it. Step 4. Now click Upload Photo and choose the banner image you want to use from your computer. LinkedIn recommends 1584 by 396 pixels for best results. Step 5. Once it's uploaded, you can resize or reposition the image. When you're happy with how it looks, click Apply and then Save. Bonus tip: use a clean professional image that reflects your personal brand, like your industry, a skyline, or something related to your work. And that's how you upload a cover photo to your LinkedIn profile. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick professional tips. See you next time!